Welcome back. Excellent work on developing your course structure, modules, and contents. In this video, we'll look into rearranging your course structure. You could always rearrange your course structure in the course builder section. However, for easy navigation and viewing, you could use the content editor. To do this, go to Course Design, Content Editor. To rearrange your modules, hover your mouse on the module bar until it changes the icon. Then, click on the module and drag it to your desired arrangement. This works the same for pages. However, for pages, you can only rearrange it within the same module. If you would like to add the page to another module, you can use the Browse Template button and click on existing pages to find the page. Or just write the page name in the space here to find it. Please pause now to try this out. Great! Now you know how to set up contents and rearrange them on your course. Now, let's look at the portfolio settings. On OpenLearning, each OpenLearning user is created with an e-portfolio in their profile. By default, every learner submission made within the course will be showcased in their portfolio page. If you would like to change these settings, in your course, go to Course Design and Portfolio. Find the class and choose the appropriate portfolio settings for your course. Please pause now to change the portfolio settings if you need to. Bravo! Great work on managing your course structure arrangement and your course's portfolio settings. If you require any support in any parts of the steps, please reach out to the customer success team via live chat, phone, or email. You can also find the help documentation on each of the settings via help.openlearning.com community page. Thank you.